What's all that noise I hear? Oh my goodness. Oh no, how long have I been sleeping for? I need to check my watch. Oh my god, I've been sleeping for like an hour. Oh no, oh no. Oh boy, how many people are even out there? Oh my goodness, I need to see. If I counted this correctly, I'm pretty sure there's 8. Let me just recheck that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Wait a second. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There's 7 people. Oh, I think I was counting an apple lady. Well, I mean, it's a full house out there. I should be getting going now. These people are probably been waiting so long. It's been an hour. I even checked my clock and everything. Sigh. I should start now. This is taking so long. Oh, hey you, apple lady. Yes, you. Stop giving out apples and listen to me. Please, listen to me. I have something to tell you. Yes, darling. What, do you have to ask? Haha, oh, nothing big, but just one thing. Can you tell the can you tell the airplane driver right now to start going to my destination? Thank you very much. Okay, girl, jeez. Jeez, she really needs Jesus right now. Excuse me? What did you say? Oh, nothing. Coyote, our boarders right now, our passengers, they're kind of getting upset that you're, you mean that I'm not going to their destination? Yeah, I totally am right now. You see, I'm trying to board the plane right now, but it's been like so long, it's been like super long. So I kind of, I kind of forget how to actually make the plane move. So I'm gonna bring you out right now. Can you help me? Yeah, totally, man. Just calm down. You had like too much coffee and sweets and sugar. Do those? Seriously, girl, I always tell you to get the bread that doesn't have so much sugar on it. It's kind of bad for you. But of course, I'll help you. But we have to get ASAP. That flamingo over there was getting pretty angry. She was literally screaming in my face, and my apple started to melt. Sigh. Thank you. Okay, so first of all, do you have any experience? Oh yeah, totally, man. Or girl, whatever. But I've totally had experience. Oh really? When? Like what age? Or like recently, or no, not recently. Back in like 1947, at least. I think at least 1947. It wasn't 1971. Can't quite remember. It's just been a long time. Okay, my brain's rotting. You see this apple? It's my brain. Anyways, then you just click this doohickey and oh my goodness, oh my god, I'm sorry, that did nothing. Let's see here. Oh my goodness, apple lady, I think we're going, I don't know, I left off. I don't think this is how you do a plane. I don't know what I'm doing. Oh my goodness. Calm down, okay? Just calm down, honey. It'll all be okay, okay? Please, just calm down and don't make any stupid movement. I told you to make no stupid movements. We're now going into the ocean. What? Oh my gosh. Where'd the plane go? Oh my goodness. Did it sink? I don't even know. Wait. Apple lady, where are you? Are you okay? Oh my goodness. Where's Apple lady? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. I am so lucky. Look. I found land. I guess I crashed right beside land. Maybe I'll find Apple Lady here. Oh my gosh, I feel so bad. Oh no, I hope she didn't die. If she dies, that'd be the worst thing ever. Oh my god, I have to check. Oh my god, Apple Lady, Apple Lady, Apple Lady, you're there. Apple Lady, Apple Lady. Okay, maybe she's on the land somewhere. Maybe she already found her way out and she was just trying to find some shelter because she just literally had a plane crash. I mean, I did it. I feel so bad. I'm gonna apologize like 50 million times when I come back to her. Sigh. Well, time to go and find her, I guess. Oh, this is so sad. Oh my goodness, what did I do? Apple Lady, are you hit? Oh, oh my gosh, I found her. Ah! Oh my god, I'm so happy you're alive. Wait, why are you just playing a guitar? You just fell out of a plane and crashed into the ocean. How are you not concerned? Why are you not at a hospital? Why are you at a juice hut? Sigh. Oh my gosh, let me give you a hug. Well, of course I'm at this juice hut because, well, you know, it's just how I get back to my normal self and I don't get freaking out like you did. See, you were freaking out too much. I just stayed chill and I came to the closest juice hut I could find. It's kind of like a thing I always do, you know. Oh my goodness, someone else is here. Oh hey, welcome to the juice hut. I know I don't work here, but welcome. Coyote, would you like to join on in on this, or do you want to be boring and you want to go to a hospital? Are you serious, everyone? Oh my gosh, I think I'm bleeding. Are you serious? You can't be like this. I am literally bleeding right now. Look at me. I need a hospital. Okay, so you stay here and die while I go to a hospital. Okay? How about that? Maybe you're right. When you put it like that, die or stay in a juice hut, I'd go to a hospital in that situation, you know. Die in a hospital, stay in a juice hut or go to the hospital. Stay in a juice hut and die. Yeah, I'll come with you to the hospital. Sigh. Well, I don't want you to die and I don't want me to die either. Am I right, Apple? Yeah, Apple said yeah. Okay, I'll come.